Ninja became well known with line of mid-estimated blenders were sufficiently strong to rival a portion of the very good quality brands. The kitchen apparatus brand then presented individual blenders, intended to make advantageous single-serving parts and beverages you can take in a hurry. The Ninja product offering presently incorporates a broad line of blenders intended to deal with everything from smoothies to soups to sauces, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. To track down the best Ninja blender for your kitchen, decide your needs with regards to control rating, includes, and included adornments. From straightforward individual blenders and food prep choppers to performing multiple tasks blender processor combo frameworks, there's certain to be a met for your requirements, counter space, and spending plan. Number 1, Ninja Professional Blender and Nutri Ninja Cups. This blender, a cross between a traditional pitcher blender and a personal blender, features a 1100 watt motor and 6 blades that can crush ice and blend frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. Simple to operate, it has 3 manual speed settings and a pulse button. In addition to the 72-ounce, BPA-free plastic pitcher, which is great for making a large batch of drinks, the set includes 2 16-ounce cups with lids for on-the-go, single-serve smoothies. The cups screw onto the motor base, so you can use it as a personal blender for making individual batches. Number 2, Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ. For smaller kitchens without tons of storage space for extra parts and accessories, sometimes simpler is better. This high-powered blender comes with a single 72-ounce pitcher that can hold up to 64 ounces of liquids. The motor base has up to 1,400 watts of power for crushing ice and pulverizing hard foods like nuts with ease. The manual program's buttons are easy and intuitive, with low, medium, and high speeds along with a pulse button for perfect control of the blending process. In addition, it has 3 preset programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, or creating ice cream from pre-frozen ingredients. Number 3, Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ. A true kitchen multitasker, this kitchen system combines a traditional countertop blender, a personal blender for individual drinks, and a food processor all in one. It can handle classic blending tasks like crushing ice and making milkshakes and cocktails, but it also has 2 24-ounce cups that screw on to make individual smoothies for busy mornings. On top of that, it also comes with a 64-ounce processor bowl, which can be used for chopping vegetables for salsa, making purees, and even for kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough using the included dough blade. The system has 5 different Auto IQ preset programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, making juices, chopping, and kneading dough. Manual controls include settings for low, medium, and high speed, as well as pulsing. Number 4, Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. If you want all the multitasking functionality of a blender processor combo system, but don't have a lot of kitchen storage space to spare, this compact hybrid system could be the perfect solution. Like the larger Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system, it can crush ice, chop ingredients, knead dough, and make smoothies and frozen drinks. In addition to the full-size 72-ounce pitcher, which can hold up to 64 ounces of liquids, it comes with a 5-cup processor bowl and an 18-ounce single-serve cup. The streamlined controls include 3 preset programs for making smoothies, blending frozen drinks, and mixing batters or dough, plus a manual pulse button. Number 5, Ninja Nutri Blender with Auto IQ. Though compact, this 1,000-watt blender is fast and powerful. It comes with an 18-ounce cup and a 24-ounce cup, both with tight-sealing sipping lids, so it's perfect for making individual smoothies on the go. The intelligent preset programs mean you can put your ingredients in the cup, press the button, and walk away. All of the removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Compared to the earlier BL455 and BL456 models of the Nutri Ninja Pro Blender, this upgraded version has received a power boost, 1000 watts instead of 900, and it features buttons for both automatic and manual programs. Number 6, Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender. The 800-watt heating element in this high-powered blender means it can both blend and heat foods, so it can infuse hot drinks and make either chunky or smooth soups as well as hot sauces and dips. This blender features 12 different preset programs for automatically making smoothies, frozen drinks, juices, ice cream, sautéing, dips and sauces, chunky soups, smooth soups, and infusing mixes, water, and cocktails. It also has manual controls for blending, cooking, pulsing, and low, medium, and high speeds. The hands-off functions are impressive. It can chop and sauté ingredients, and then cook and blend them into a smooth or chunky soup. You can throw some ingredients into it, press a button, walk away, and come back later to a ready-to-eat soup. It also has a keep warm function, so you can prepare your soup ahead of time and keep it piping hot until you're ready to serve it. Number 7. Ninja Master Prep Professional Blender. Great for small kitchens that don't have counter space for a full-size blender and food processor. This handy mini appliance can handle everything from frozen blending to food prep for meals. It has a 48-ounce pitcher that's designed for blending drinks, a 40-ounce bowl for food processing jobs like making salsas, sauces, and smooth purees, and a 16-ounce chopper bowl for chopping vegetables. All of the containers have non-slip bases, so they won't slide around on the counter during use. 2 storage lids are included, so food can be prepped ahead of time and stored in the refrigerator until it's needed. Unlike blenders that have a heavy motor base onto which the containers are attached, this set has an interchangeable 450-watt power pod that sits on top of each of the containers. One large button turns the power pod on and off for easy pulsing and blending.